Hello everyone, this is one Western Digital firmware corrupted data recovery case. Now we can check the module 32 is corrupted and it's damaged, so we need to find one donor module 32 to write. And actually we have already found one dollar module, so we just need to click the right modules here, and we have put the dollar 32 to this new parse, and then we just select this one. We need to unselect all. We just need to write the module 32 here according to ABA mode. Okay, after written, actually we can see in the log window module 32 has been written successfully. After writing this $32, and we can right click on the 32 and click clears module, because this is $32, so we just need to clear it. The defects inside this module 32 are different from the original ones, so we can keep the module header and clear other contents, and then it is okay. Actually, we have disabled this module 2 in this pension drive to make the firmware repair faster. So after this repair, and we can go to the ROM operations, and at the bottom, okay, we click enable module 2, and then we can click the execute firmware restart, and then we can check the result of the firmware repair for this Western Digital DF2 PL4K family. After firmware restart, we can exit this program, and then we re-enter the software. Now let's check. Okay, so the drive ID has been detected correctly, and we can go to the logical scan to access the data arrow. Now we can see the data arrow is fully accessible. So at this time, we can go to the DFL DDP data recovery software here. Okay, so the DFL DDP is used for data recovery. Now we can set up one new project for data recovery purpose and file extraction, and here we have entered this file extraction interface. Now let's check the log. So this is log window, and we can double click to list all the folders under this partition. There are some bad sectors on this drive, so when trying to expand the folders under this partition, there will be some errors. So for this kind of drive, it's the best to set up the head map and image the pension drive. Now we need to go to the disk image interface, because we can see the MFT is corrupted, so we cannot extract the lost data directly by this method. We need to use disk image. and we need to set up one target drive. We can create one VHD to be used as a target disk. Because right now the drive is not ready, so we can try to power off and power on the drive. And wait until the drive gets ready, because the drive is now busy. Okay, and here function menu, we can set up one target disk, create VHD. Now the capacity is correct. The VHD has the same capacity as the original drive, so we need to set up one VHD to be used as the target drive. Now let's select this one. It has 1 TB here, so we can set up one new folder. Okay, so we save this VHD here and click create, close, click. Okay, now the target drive has been set. Let's set up the head map for this pension drive. Okay, Western Digital, the Royal Family. Click OK. Now we can see the software has been setting up the head map. We can wait a little bit. Okay, now from Snug window we can see there are totally 3 heads for this pension drive. Now we can go to the disk image settings, and we can change the block size to a bigger value, and click OK. Now let's start the disk image. So the software is now imaging this pension drive. Now we can see the head 0 is weak and it's very slow here. So we can try to untick head 0 and image head 1 and head 2. Now we can see the head 1 is okay to image and it is at the high speed, and head 2 is also okay for the disk imaging speed. We can check here. So for this pension drive, we can see the head 0 is weak, so we can finish imaging the head 1 and head 2. After this one, we can extract the lost data from this VHD target drive. So this is how we use the DFLWD firmware repair tool to repair the firmware corruption, and then use the DDP data recovery software to recover the lost data for imaging or direct file extraction. Thank you for watching the video.